Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are starting a complete roadmap for ASNT NDT Level III certification. If you are preparing for NDT Level III, this video series is for you. This is episode 1. We will understand the full certification process step by step. Subscribe to the channel and join us for complete free learning of NDT Level III. Let us begin. First, let us understand the 3 NDT certification levels. Level 1 is the technician level. A Level 1 works under supervision. They set up equipment, perform basic calibration, and carry out testing. They do not interpret results and cannot give final accept or reject decisions. Level 2 is the inspector level. A Level 2 works independently. They interpret test results and compare them with codes such as ASME and API. They can accept or reject parts and train Level 1 technicians. Level 3 is the expert level. A Level 3 designs procedures, selects NDT methods, and solves complex technical problems. They are responsible for training, examination, and certification of Level 1 and Level 2 personnel. Now let us understand why someone should become an NDT Level 3. First is career growth. Level 3 professionals move into senior roles such as consultant, senior authority, or quality manager. Second is certification authority. Only Level 3 personnel can train and certify Level 1 and Level 2. Third is procedure development. Instead of following procedures, you write them. Fourth is problem solving. Level 3 professionals handle complex technical issues that others cannot. Finally, there is global recognition. ASNT Level 3 certification is widely accepted in oil, gas, and manufacturing industries worldwide. Now let us look at the primary global certification bodies. These organizations define qualification requirements, examinations, and certification rules. Understanding them is essential for NDT Level 3 candidates. To become an NDT Level 3, both education and experience are required. Candidates must meet education and documented industry experience requirements. These requirements are defined in standards such as ASNT, TC1A, and CP189. This ensures that Level 3 personnel have strong theoretical knowledge and practical experience. ASNT follows equal opportunity principles. Eligibility is not affected by race, religion, nationality, or gender. What matters is meeting the education and experience requirements. When applying for the examination, candidates must submit proper documentation. They must also agree to follow the ASNT NDT Level III Code of Ethics. This slide reinforces the importance of eligibility documentation and ethical responsibility for certification. Now let us understand the certification examination fees. For initial certification, the NDT Basic Examination is mandatory. For recertification before expiration, only method examinations are required. Planning early helps avoid delays and additional costs. If a candidate fails an examination, ASNT allows reapplication to retake the failed exam. For initial certification, the basic exam is required. For recertification, only method exams are needed. According to ASNT TC1A, there are 16 NDT methods. These include acoustic emission testing, electromagnetic testing, ground-penetrating radar, guided wave testing, laser methods testing, leak testing, liquid penetrant testing, magnetic flux leakage testing, magnetic particle testing, microwave testing, neutron radiographic testing, thermal or infrared testing, ultrasonic testing, vibration analysis, and visual testing. Some methods are unique to ASNT TC1A. According to CP189, 12 NDT methods are recognized. These include advanced techniques such as phased array ultrasonic testing, time-of-flight diffraction, and digital radiography. Understanding the difference between ASNT TC1A and CP189 is important for Level 3 candidates. Now let us understand the qualification examinations required for certification. The NDT Basic Examination consists of 135 questions. It covers other NDT methods, materials, and fabrication processes, and certification requirements as per ASNT TC1A and CP189. This examination tests the overall technical foundation of the candidate. The method examination consists of a minimum of 90 questions. It focuses on one specific NDT method. It tests theory, practical application, and understanding of specifications. Candidates who pass all required examinations will receive certification documents from ASNT. Candidates who do not pass may reapply and retake the failed examinations. After successful completion of examinations, ASNT issues the NDT Level III certificate. This certification does not automatically authorize a person to perform NDT. Authorization is the responsibility of the employer, based on written practice. The certificate remains the property of ASNT. Initial certification is valid for 5 years. The basic exam result is valid for 5 years. The method exam result is valid for 2 years. If an exam expires before certification is completed, it must be retaken. Violation of the Code of Ethics can result in revocation of certification. Recertification is required every 5 years. Certification can be renewed by application, by points, or by examination. For recertification by examination, the basic exam is not required if certification is continuous. In upcoming videos, we will cover each topic in detail. This includes the NDT basic exam and all major NDT methods such as ultrasonic testing, radiographic testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testing, and visual testing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming NDT Level 3 lessons. See you in the next video.